Pressing the button scoreboard lets us view and adjust the parameter of preference. Clicking on any shield, both local and visitor, screen displays the statistical information that allows us to rectify these statistics manually. These icons allow us to operate different parts of the game that lets count, well as scoring goals scored manually. The vertical bars on the sides of the counter used to count the ball possession of each team. Press button start and the counter starts. Pressing reset to put the counter to 0. If you press settings, allows us to correct the time on the initial game. Pressing the button scoreboard S. Display the marker on the screen with the score variety time. With timer button, envision playing time. With the button date time, time and day. With the button scoreboard B, visualize the large marker. By pressing the button logo displayed on television which broadcasts the football game, and the replay button. Advise of the replay. Team stats window is to select a team's statistics and display it on screen, and the window player stats is to select and display a player statistic. When you press the button referees, allows us to display the data from the referees and the position he will play. Information on the showing screen. I can do the same with sports commentators. Pressing the button advertising, we can roll down the window to load advertising files. Once the files are loaded advertising, press button load to load and visualize on the screen, pressing show. The right we have the checkbox auto. Automatically goes to show all images stored. by pressing Submit button. Roll down the window group, which allows us to select the presentation template lineup. Load to load and click Show. Both the local team, the visiting team, and the referees. If you click the Statistics button, allows us to visualize the comparative statistics of the two teams. Pressing the button Penalties. Visualize the counter penalties. This section we'll explain in depth later. By pressing the button Hide All, allows us to hide all images on the screen. Pressing the button Load Template allows us to load a new template. The name is reflected in the window right. By pressing the button Reload, retrieve the current template from your hard drive. If you press the button Template Editor, we can open to change or modify templates. So far has been the explanation of the start of CGFootball Soccer.